Our weaknesses lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Hello there, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Deeptima Tiwari. I have done my graduation from Allahabad University. My post-graduation and B.Ed is from Allahabad State University. By profession, I'm a physics teacher. I have 5 years of experience in teaching field. And teaching is my profession, and I'm glad to have it as my passion and profession both. And in free time, I love to explore new things. I love to update myself with the current scenario. I love to read books and all that things. And yes, this is something about myself. Let's proceed with my video. So can you recognize the person on the screen? Yes, he is a great scientist, Thomas Alva Edison. Now, for what he is known for? In 1879, he invented the first practical, long-lasting electric light bulb, and since then, our homes are bright even after the sunset. So there's one thing more which bright our homes. Can you guess that thing? Yes, that is electricity, and this is what my video is on. I have made this video on the topic that is electricity. So let's move further. There are the contents of my video. The contents, these topics I'm going to briefing on these topics, that is electricity, electric charge, electric current, and electric circuit. So moving forward, the first question arises that what is electricity? So electricity is a form of energy. See, anything in this universe is in the form of energy, because you have listened it also, conservation rule, that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, right? Energy just change its form, one form to another form. So everything in this universe is in the form of energy. So electricity is also a form of energy. It is the flow of electrical power. Okay. Now, moving ahead. To understand electricity much better, you have to understand what is charge. So see, charge are the physical matter which provide the force. And there are two types of electrical charges, that is positive charge and negative charge. Positive charges are known as photon and negative charge are known as electron. And I have given you a short briefing about them also. That positive, that is like charges, repel each other, and negative and positive, that is unlike charges, attract each other. Okay. And here the conservation rule also follow. And as I told you that everything in this universe is in the form of energy, right? So charge is also a form of energy. Charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. Okay. And charge is also quantized, meaning that it occurs in discrete amounts. They are in random form. Okay. Now moving ahead. So an atom has negatively charged particle called electrons. See, the negatively charged particle are called electrons, and the outermost electron are regarded as free electrons. See, in the orbit, electrons are moving around the orbit in the outer part of the orbit, and the electrons which are moving are called free electrons. When these free electrons get any kind of external energy, that is your battery, cell, or in the bigger scenario you can call it as transformer, right? So when they get the external energy, they get channelized. They are in random form. When they get the external energy, they get channelized and moved in a definite direction. Okay, they follow a definite direction and generate electric current in a material. Thus, the movement of the charged particle forms electric current. Now, here comes another point, that what is electric current? See, electric current is the rate of flow of electrons in a conductor. Now, one thing more, what is conductor? Anything which conduct electricity. Conductor, the word conduct means to conduct something, to pass something. Anything which allow to pass something from that material. So here conductor is anything which conduct electricity. So electric current is the rate of flow of electrons in a conductor. Okay. So now in what unit we going to measure our current? That is in ampere. That 5 ampere, 6 ampere, 10 ampere current is flowing in the circuit, right? Okay, moving ahead. Now, here I'm want to explain the direction of the conventional current. Now see, flow of electrical energy through the circuit. This is also a good definition of current, that flow of electrical energy through the circuit. Now see, here I'm going to discuss about the direction of the current. Now see, the red arrows are showing the flow of electrons and the black arrows are showing the flow of current. Now, why they are in opposite direction? Let me explain you in a very simple way. See, I told you that charges repel each other, right? So see, here the negative terminal and the negative electron, right? They are same charges. That's why they are repelling each other from them, and charge is moving in the direction opposite to the negative terminal. Okay, and charge carriers are electrons. That's why electron carry the charge in the opposite direction of the negative terminal. That's why current are flowing from the positive terminal. Okay, so this is the direction that they are followed in the circuit. Now here comes a word circuit. Now what is electric circuit? Let me explain you. Now see, a continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. Something that follow a path, closed path of an electric current. Current is following a path. Okay. Now here I am shown open and closed circuit. Now what is open circuit? When your key, your switch is off, it is known as open circuit. But when you on the switch, the circuit got closed. That is, the circuit got completed and it is known as closed circuit. Okay. Now see, in a simple circuit diagram, there are very few things. That is your switch, that is your bulb. This is a reverse W is denoted as bulb symbols. There are different symbols we use in electric circuit, and these all is your battery, that is positive and negative terminal. Okay. Now that's what I'm talking about, the different circuit symbols. Now see, there are different circuit symbols. They are different application in the electric circuit. I am just briefing you out over there that this is the resistor. This that resists the current. Okay, resistor means to resist something, that is, it resists the current. Ammeter, voltmeter, motors, these all used for measuring the things. Ammeter used for measuring the current, voltmeter used for measuring the charge or the things. Motor, inductor, switch will play a very important role in the circuit. Your lamp, or you can say electric bulb, right? Electric bulb will be shown as reverse W, as I shown you earlier also. Capacitor, transformer, ground, DC voltage, diode. There are different circuit symbols which you wanna study. So okay, here this is all about my video. This is all about my short video. I hope looking forward to hear the positive response from you. And thank you so much. I'm really grateful for your this opportunity you have provided me. It feels so special for me that I'm shooting my demo video for you guys. Thank you, Byju's.